All right, in this very short tutorial, I'll show you how to place a mate connector on a cam in a location where you don't have a mate connector ready for you. So in this case here, I have an eccentric cam that I want to mate into my Automata project here. And so I need to, if I try to just use a slider mate here, none of the default locations, like I mean, I can see the center of my little hole here, but I can't really get to it. Okay, so sometimes if you have an odd shaped one, you can maybe catch the edge, but in this case here, I can't get the middle here. So to do that, I'm going to have to create a mate connector. And so I'm going to use this button right here. It's called the mate connector button. It's right next to where it says insert. And make sure you're in your assembly. So I'm going to click on the mate connector, and I'm going to switch from on entity to between entities. Now I'm going to select the location where I want. And so I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here. Now I'm doing it between entities because I'm going to do it between this spot right here and then this top line. Now the first one's going to be one of my mate connector points that I already have for this hole, which is so I could pick any one of these four in the middle. Just make sure that you're oriented going flat like this is here. So that's my first spot. And then the second spot, you'll notice that all of the little white mate connector points are gone because I don't need it. What I'm going to do instead is just kind of tilt this up a bit, and I'm going to get inside this flat part of that access point, and boom. That's the second. So remember, it's between entities, and so you just want to make sure that they're both on the edge of this flat part here and here in order to get your mate connector right there in the middle. So when I've got it, I'm going to go ahead and green check to accept it, and now I can use my slider mate. And again, I'm going to use the axle and then my mate connector point. In fact, I don't even need to click on it here. I can click it over here in my browser tab also. Either way works. And now I have a slider mate, and my cam is now able to slide in and out of my box. Okay,